Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and this is another installment of my BT21 series. And today I have a tutorial showing you how to make the thinker koala named KOYA. To start off with KOYA's head, I'm taking some light blue clay and flattening it out into an oval shape. For the body, I'm rolling some blue clay into a fat cylinder and cutting off the end. Next, I'm attaching the body onto the head. For the legs, I'm rolling some blue clay and I'm cutting the ends off of it. And we are going to blend that onto the bottom of the body. For the belly, I'm taking some white clay and I'm flattening it out into an oval shape. And I'm going to cut the oval in half and place that half oval onto the belly of the koala. Now for the arms, we're going to roll out a slightly longer cylinder and cut it at a slant. And place the arms on both sides of the body. And slowly we're going to bend the arm so it looks like it's resting on top of its belly. For KOYA's ears, we're going to take a little piece of blue clay and flatten it out into a pancake shape. And in the middle of the ear, we're going to add a little white dot of clay and flatten that out. Next, I'm going to cut off a slight edge of the ear and add both ears to the top of the head. For KOYA's nose, I'm taking an oval of light purple clay and placing it in the middle of the head. Now for the face, we're going to give it two line eyes on both sides of the nose. And a lined smile. Once complete, we are baking the piece according to instructions, and you should have a little sleeping KOYA that looks like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the third video I have in my BT21 series. Previously I made a tata and a cookie, so I hope you guys enjoyed those videos, and don't forget to check out the next 5 that are coming out after. Thank you!